another vlog. I'm the mother of Catherine Lavelle. Right now, she wasn't here. We dropped her off at the day home this morning so I can set up her toys and I can clean up a bit here at the house. So, yeah, and yesterday, we already set this up. And it's a little bit chaos because, it's hard when you're working with the kid, with your baby. At the same time, you're setting up her toys and yeah, so but the toy itself, it was pretty easy to set up. It just you just need to screw it, and there's also a there's also a instruction here, is instruction guide. So here you go, guys. So yeah, you just have to follow this and follow which one needs to be screwed. And yeah, and it's actually pretty easy. It's pretty easy to set up this way. So there you go. So yeah, and this food cart, it's actually one of my favorite toy as a mom. And it has okay, I'll show you guys. It can teach a shape and colors, counting 1 to 20, advanced vocabulary, the alphabet, recycling, size and sequencing, food, familiar objects, sharing and taking turns, opposites, and more. So yeah, it's 20 plus play pieces for the role play fun. And yeah, so I love this. I really love it. Like, it's pretty cool though. Pretty cool to play with your daughter. I feel like I'm I'm a kid again. I'll show you what's the stages by stages. First stage is actually, oops,
Listen and learn.
the taco fell. 5-minute rule. Here you go, guys. So first stage sounds is
Large banana smoothie.
Here you go.
Medium strawberry smoothie. Small grape smoothie.
and a doorbell.
Order up.
Order up. Here you go. And on the side of her food cart, I keep saying food cart, it's food truck. So on the tail, you can,
Wow.
and then when she turned this thing,
Burger.
here you go. Taco.
Spicy taco. Zesty pizza. Fruit smoothie. Zero.
So here you go, guys. It's pretty easy. And then the grill, you just press it. It will make a sound.
I love to cook food on my grill.
The faucet. Here you go. And let's see the stage 2. What's the sounds?
Let's explore and find. I'm looking for my large banana smoothie. Can you orders up? One large smoothie. Who ordered the medium smoothie? I have one small smoothie ready to go.
Here you go. That's for that drink.
Where is the medium strawberry smoothie?
And it keeps going on and going on. So it depends on how you play your kids with. But yeah, here you go. And there's a
How can I help
dodo.
you?
I love it. I love this toy. And again, let's see. I think it's the same.
Let's grill
That's true. And I think it's a better sound. Here you go. And it's
What
pretty.
size smoothie would you like?
And same as the first stage. Let's see the.
Please find the number.
Let's see the third stage. Third stage.
Level 3. Let's sing and play.
Here we go. Oh, that's the music. Oh, just a doorbell. There you go. And let's see the grill. Oh, now it's different. Now it's like sounds like bubbles. And I wonder where is a. Oh, there.
Your order is ready. I have the best customers.
Nice. Yeah, it's different sequence. So
Stack up my burgers, stack it up high.
there's the music.
Give the bacon and avocado a try. Put a bun on the bottom and a bun on top. Take a bite of the burger. Get them while they're hot.
Nice. I love the level 3 with all the music.
Build a taco
Let's go to taco.
with meat and beans. All inside a taco shell with extra lettuce, please.
Pizza.
Make a pizza, you and me. Pizza dough, sauce and cheese. Don't forget the yummy toppings. We'll share when it's done. Yippee! I love smoothies. Choose your size cup.
It's like rock music.
Small, medium, large. And drink it all up.
Is Katrin gonna love this? She will love this toy. And me as a mom, I already loving it. So here you go. Here's the food truck for Luby. Me and her gonna have fun to play with this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I love it. One is from her Ninang Joy and Ninong Mark. It's a Timeless Trends Kitchen Step 2. So I'm excited with this one as well. She'll be loves to play this at day home. She always I've seen her. She always play this because at the day home they have this kind of kitchen toy. So we'll see how she loves it, how she likes it. So this one, guys, this from her babysitter, and you've seen this at our last vlog, and right now I'm gonna open it because we didn't have chance to unbox it. So here we go. I wish she was here today, but like I said, it's a little bit tough when I'm trying to set up her toys and everything, and she always she wants to, but later on I will set her toy area and then show it to her everything, so she will be surprised, like all her toys are already set up. So let's unbox this. Here you go. Beside her Bella. So this will be her baby beside her Bella. So I don't know which one will be her favorite, but this one she loves it. So we'll see how she gonna like these two twin babies of her. So let's find out. It's her two twin babies. And there's also a clothes up here, I'm just gonna take it out. Each one has the clothes. I'm gonna try to take it out. So, pacifier, top clothes, and a skirt. Let's try to remove this pacifier and see. I think this one, I hope I didn't mix it. Anyway, I think it doesn't matter. So, there's pacifier for her. Is it fit? Oh yeah, it's fit. Here you go. Oh, it's really nice eyes. Blue eyes. Here's the clothes. Let's put that down there. Oops. Oh, baby. There you go. Here's her baby. I'm gonna help her to take care of her baby. And there's also a bottle here. Let's take it out. Here's baby Emma. And here's baby Ali. Look at me here. Look at the camera, baby. Anyway, so here's the clothes. So I'll show it to her how to dress her toys up. And yeah, here we go. When she comes home, I'll show it to her. She'll be excited to play with this. So next one would be a Peppa Pig. This gift, it came from our good friend, Valenzuela family, from Mary Ann and Jonathan. I'm the godparents of their kids. And anyway, so here it is. So here's the Peppa Pig that they give a Christmas gift for Catherine. And let's see what's in the box. So first off, it's a Peppa Pig book. Here you go. I think she's gonna love this book. And the good thing with this book, it is a hardbound. Hindi niya mapupunit, guys. Ayan. Here's the book. I'm gonna read it to her. She loves books. Like 3, 4, 5 books. We read it every day. Or sometimes more than that. So, we'll see how she gonna love this. And here we go. And the inside one are puzzles. I'm not gonna, here's the puzzles. I'm not gonna set up the puzzles. I'm just gonna show you what it looked like. Here it is, the puzzles. It'll be like this. We will set it up in her playpen. And I'll show her, I'll teach her how to do the puzzles. And this toy, it's good to start from 18 months and up. So yeah, it says here, this set is special because look and find, play, encourage, focus, and exploration. Puzzle boosts problem solving and logic skills. Peppa Pig promotes family, friendship, and fun. Here it is. I'm pretty sure she's gonna like this new book. So next one would be a 3 sets in 1, a learning library. So it has a first match it. It's like a puzzle as well. So it has heads and tails, things I eat, on the farm. It's all 15 self-correcting puzzle sets, introducing animals, foods, and theme. So let's see what she got. By the way, this came from her Ninang Desert and Ninong Jet and PJ and Daniel, their 2 kids. So this is the Christmas gift that she got for her Ninang. You know what? I'm just gonna use a scissor so I don't. Here you go. Here you go, guys. Oh, nice. There's the guide. Learning library, jump starts, how to use this set with your child. Here you go, guys. It's too long to read, but yeah. I'm gonna set this up for her. And we will check each and every so she can learn what kind of food, what kind of animal, so she get more familiarized with to food and animals and things. There you go. Mommy's gonna be busy with her to play with. And me and also daddy. Not just mommy, right? So, here it is, guys. Very nice. I love this. I love it. I love everything, actually. And next one, a World of Discovery. This one, my gift to her on my Christmas gift to Louie, to Catherine. So, I'll show you what's inside. So, first off, it has a parts to connect with a toy for a solar system. It's gonna be like this thing. There you go. So, for this toy, also I have to do another set this. And then it has a glow-in-the-dark stickers, a solar system guide for this, and also, oh nice, a sticker book. It has a, here you go. Night sky, the moon, the stars. She can put it all on here. I'm gonna guide her so that way, the early the better to teach her child and get her familiarized with. So, yeah, here. And here's the stickers. Nice. I like this. Next one, it has a chart with our solar system. There you go. It's pretty cool. Nice. And it's a nice quality though. It's nice quality of this kind of paper. It's not kind of, you know, nice. So, I'll teach her with this as well. And yeah. Teach her what's our solar system. There you go. I'm excited for that. And the next one would be another book. But the thing is, the outside is the hardbound and the inside is the soft paper. So I'm gonna probably be careful with her to read this book for her, because or to show it to her, this book, because sometimes kids, like, they tend to, when they curious or they get excited, pinupunit na nila. So yeah, here you go. Here's our solar system. Lots of reading for her, but it's good for learning. This book, it's actually good for, it says here, it's actually good for 3 years old, from 3 years old and up. But with your guidance as a mom or as a parent, well, I think you can start your kids a little bit early with this. So why not, right? There's no harm in trying, right? And see how she is interested. So, here you go.